Alright guys, welcome back to Blockchainplus. So in this video, I want to quickly show you how you can set your running trade that is in progress in Breakeven, how to put your trade in Breakeven, and also how to set multiple TPs on your trade. So those are the two things I quickly want to show you, and I want to do that using Ourbit. So if you have not watched the one I did for Bybit, just go to my channel. You're going to see that of Bybit, how to set take multiple TPs for Bybit is there, but this one is for those using Ourbit. And of course, you know, we are using Ourbit for our trading and our channel. And also, if you're not in our channel, you're welcome. This is Blockchainplus. Please just do well to subscribe to this channel, and also turn on your bell notification icon so that when I drop valuable videos like this, you'll be notified and you can also watch them. And most importantly, if you're not in our community, here is our community, Blockchainplus community. You can see the community right here. You can just search for this community on Telegram and join this community, because you're doing amazing things in that community. And if you want to join my mentorship class, you can join my mentorship class. If you pay for my mentorship class, you're going to get access to all of this. You can get access to our signal, premium signal. You get access to the class itself, and also you get access to our DeFi group. And to join this mentorship class is just with 30,000 naira or 20 USD. You have access to the class. All right, with that said, let's go back to the video of today. So now let me show you quickly how to use multiple TP on Ourbit, or how to set your trade in Breakeven. Now look at this trade. This is Newt. This is the trade I gave earlier, and it's already running and it's in profit. If you look at it right here, you can see the profit right here. Right, you can see it's in over 54% profit. Now that this trade is in profit, if I want to put this trade in Breakeven so that it will run risk free, so that I don't endanger my capital, my invested capital in this, and wait for it to play out, all I need to do is to first of all check the chart. So I'll come to this place that says candles. I'll click on that candle here, and I'll look at the chart. Before you put your trade in Breakeven, you need to put it at key levels. So here are the key levels on this trade. I will look at the 1 hour. I'll look at the 1 hour. Now this is where I entered the trade. So you can see I entered this trade around here. Now it has made a higher low here. It has made another higher low here. Now if you look, if this does not break this, it means it's making another higher low here. So you're going to put your trade in Breakeven below the higher lows. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So first of all, I put it below this one. So below this one, the price is, you can see the price here, 0.35. This is the price here. This one here, 0.347. So I just put it 0.345. Now, once I've seen that the price around 0.347, I will now go to my own and set it. Let's say 0.346 or 0.347. I can set it there because there's another low here. Right, so you can use 1 hour to check for the levels. You can also use H4 to check for the levels. So let me go to H4. So on H4, if you look at this right now, you can see there is a low here, there's a low here, and this one is kind of making another higher low. So I'll just put it in this one first, not this one. So now that I've seen those points, I'll go back to my trade. So I'll come to the trade like this. Now here you can see this place that says SL and TP, SL/TP. On that place there is a pen icon there. So you click on the pen icon. Now once you click on the pen icon, remember your first stop loss, you set it in the actual stop loss. Now you want to now move the stop loss into Breakeven. We've already seen the price, so by that time your stop loss will be below your entry. Now you want to change it and put the stop loss above the entry. So you've checked the price, it's at 0.347. So you come here and put it 0.347. So once you type it like that, sorry for that. So once you type it like that, you will now see that you have moved your stop loss into Breakeven. You can see the price here. It says your PNL rate is 11%, and what you're earning is what, $1.16. So if it comes back and hit my stop loss at that point, I'm no longer losing money. Rather, I'll make at least $1 from this trade. That is what it means. Now, if it continues to go up, I'll continue to shift the stop loss into the next higher low support level, right? So that is how you set it. Once you're done with this, the next thing you click on confirm, and then you've set it. You can see right here now, you can see that it has changed from 0.345 to 0.347. So right now my trade is running risk free. So that is how you set break even. Now the next thing you want to do is to learn how to also take multiple set multiple TPs. So for you to be able to set multiple TPs, your trade must be running. Yes, your trade must be running. Now, once you've entered the trade, if you look at here, it says TP slash SM. So I have not set TP. That's why this part is dash dash. This one is the SM, which is already set. So for me to set my TP, again, you must know the levels where you want to take profit. You don't just set TP anyhow. So the first level of TP will be here. So for me, for my TPs, I usually use H4 and 1 day to look at the levels. Now, I'll come to this place. Now, this is the first level of TP, which is here. That green candle. Second level is this one, and then the third level is around here. So if I have known that those are the levels of tipping, the next thing I want to do is to find out the prices. So around here, what is the price? Around here, what is the price? And around here, what is the price? So for me to do that, I will turn this. I might turn this like this. Okay, let me don't turn it so that I don't just I don't switch this video on landscape, right? So but I would have turned it like that to now use the drawing tools here to check for the levels. But however, using this my line, I can see that this one is around 0.39, right? So this one will be around, let's say, 0.445, and this is around 0.6. So I will go to H4 now to confirm. You can see this level 0.39 here. You can see it here, 0.39. Then the next one again, you can see the level 0.45. You can see it here. Let me just take this back a bit. You can see it here, 0.45. That is the next level. Then the last level is here, 0.6. So I will set those levels. Now that I've known the levels, I will now come to my trade again, go over to the TP side. See, this is the TP right here. So first of all, I will click on this TP, on the pen icon again. Now once I click on the pen icon, you can see here that says TP and SL in batch. That is the one you're choosing, not this other one, not this position TP and SL. So choose that one. Now once you choose it, you can see that here it's saying amount TP. You can see TP amount. So what you do, you look at this place as well. You can see that maximum is 105. That is what you have. So first of all, your first TP level, which is TP1, you can put it at 50. You can just sell 50% of the coin at that level. So once I put 50% of the coin at that level, then the next thing I'll put my TP here. This year I'll put the TP price, which is the first price was 0.39, right? So it's saying since I'm selling 50%, this is how much I'll make if I sell 50%, and this is the percentage, 135, 37%, and I'll make $6, right? Now if I sell all at that price, I'm making $13, right? So I'll set it at 50%, and then I'll click on confirm. So now I've set the first TP as 0.39. You can see it there. Now to set the second TP, which is setting multiple TP, remember this first TP is just 50% of the coins I'm selling. Now the second TP, I'll now set 30%. So for me to set the second TP, I'll click on this plus TP slash SL. So I'll click on it, plus TP slash SL. Then I'll still click on TP slash SL in batch, not this position now, not this one. This one says position. I will not use this one. So I'll click on this because I want to set in batches, right? So now remember I took 50%. It was 105 point something. Now it's remaining 52%, right? So for me, I want to sell 30 pieces of this 52%. So for me to do it, if I put it at 50% again, I'm only selling 25 pieces, right? So I'll put it at 75% or I put it at 70%. So this is 70%. Now at 70%, I want to set 0.45. So at 0.45, now 70%, I'll be getting $10 and I'll be selling at 311%. So that is what I'll be getting from this particular one. So I'll put again confirm. Now if you look at this place now, I have two TPs. You can see TP is 2, SL is 1. So I'll now set the remaining batch, which is 30% remaining now. So I'll click on this plus sign again, plus TP/SL here. I'll click on it again. Now I'll click the same thing again. I'll click on TP/SL in batches. I'll click on. Now remember I set 70%, so now I'm just having 15 remaining. I was supposed to have 20 remaining, so that means 70% took more than 30 pieces of the coin. So however, I can leave it like that. Then this one, I'll just click on all to use set all of this. So it's remaining 15, and then I'll put it at 0.6. 0.6. This is giving us 11 dollars. Now you can see the percentage in return is 749%, which is very, very huge. So now I can put this and then click on confirm. So you can see TP is 3 right there. You can see it there. So now I've set my TP, I've set my SL, I've done everything. Now if I click on it, you can see the first TP is 39, second TP is 45, this third TP is 6, 0.6, 0.45, 0.39. So you can see the quantity I'm selling, 15 here, 37 here, and then 52 here. So this is how you set multiple TPs and also put your trade in break-even. All of these things I've just shown you now is how you manage your trade so that you don't lose your account in the long run. Right? I hope this video has helped you to understand all of this. If you gain anything from this video, please just drop a comment in the comment section saying thank you or telling me what you actually gained from this video. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please just hit the subscribe button. Also, like this video if you really enjoyed it, and then share it with your friends so that they too can benefit from this. And most importantly, don't fail to join our Blockchainplus community on Telegram so that you can get more values going forward. Alright guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.